A just concluded agricultural high-tech fair in China's Shanxi attracted over 1,500 exhibitors from 39 countries and regions and offered cooperation opportunities. The 30th China Yangling Agricultural High-Tech Fair was held on September 19th to 23rd under the theme of soil health and food security. Uzbekistan is the guest country of honor at this year's fair.
我们不仅是想把我们的物资的产品，我们是农业的产品，介绍咱们的这个中国的朋友们。不仅这些，我们希望通过这个农高婚礼，也是通过我们的文化传播给我们的这个中国的朋友们。我们因为现在是乌兹别克斯坦向中国在学习，我们就在这个农业板块学习上面也把这个加强合作，也希望把这个中国的农业的这个核心，想把转到乌兹去。
We appreciate about China is not only showing us the technological exchanges, but sharing with us on how to advance. But what we think about is what the whole world thinks about China's speed of development and growth, and incorporating technology is really amazing, and it's eye-opening for all of us, especially in the Horn of Africa, and provides great opportunities for us to develop more.
Established in 1994, the fair is one of the largest and most influential events dealing with agricultural science in China.